Good evening, I'm Alan Martin.
And I'm Elizabeth Cook.
Today, deadline day for Muni workers to get a COVID vaccine or possibly lose their jobs. Muni says 100 transit operators unable to work under the new rules. More than half still trying to get exemptions.
KPIX5's Shawn Chitnis live tonight. Shawn, Muni riders are really feeling the effects today.
Well, Liz, that's why the agency says they are working hard to try and resolve any issues related to this shortage by the end of the week. And they want to reiterate that they believe Muni is still safe to travel. But the riders we talked to at bus stops like the one behind me agree with the infectious experts. They say you shouldn't stop being extra careful. The morning commute on Monday felt a little different for Muni riders.
The bus was taking a little longer than usual.
Some say it's becoming more common to see too many people together on recent rides.
The buses have been crowded, especially getting back from downtown financial district.
What, if any, concerns do you have about the health and safety of riders as you're navigating this and trying to get workers where you want them to be?
Well, we've been fortunate throughout COVID. We've not had a single documented COVID transmission hotspot.
The SFMTA says riders should feel confident about the safety of Muni.
Public transit in the United States and everywhere else in the world is one of the safer places to be.
Dr. Annette Regan says that argument adds up with this vaccine requirement for workers.
Chances are you're in good company with people who are protected against COVID.
The agency says 98% of its workers are vaccinated, but a large percentage of those who are not operate trains and buses or work in parking control.
It has an extremely negative trickle-down effect in the sense that, if one operator is not here for whatever reason, then that's one bus.
But that doesn't mean riders shouldn't try to avoid crowded buses and trains.
Those of you that do have the option to kind of stage your public transportation times, that might also be a nice option for trying to spread out.
An approach some riders are already taking.
I've waited a few times to take a few different buses just because I'm not going to go ahead and risk it and get on a crowded bus, even when I'm wearing 2 masks.
Shawn, what can you tell us about those vaccine exemptions?
Well, as we know, about 100 requests have been made by workers, and of those, more than half have already been denied. None have been approved. The union does tell us that in some cases, though, their members are able to get paid leave.
All right, Shawn, thank you.